Hello viewers and well wishers. Welcome to our channel Ashana Sadhana, the right way to success. ముందుగా మా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని షేర్ చేస్తున్న మీకు మా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారములు. మీ అభిమానాన్ని ఇలాగే కొనసాగిస్తారని ఈరోజు నేను ఒక ముఖ్యమైన టాపిక్ తో వచ్చాను. Hello children, welcome back. In this video, I would like to teach you fractions and decimals. In this chapter, first we have to learn what is a fraction, numerator, denominator, and kinds of fractions. First one, proper fraction. Second, improper fraction. Third, mixed fraction. Fourth, like fraction. Fifth, unlike fraction. Sixth, unit fraction. Seventh, equivalent fractions. Let us learn one by one. Fraction. What is a fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole or a part of a group. If a quantity is divided into same equal parts and only some or all of them are taken, such numbers are called fractions. Let us see few examples. Here is a fruit. It is divided into 4 equal parts. Then each is called 1/4. 1/4 is written as 1/4. Quarter, 1/4 or quarter. Quarter is written as 1/4. How many quarters make a whole? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters make a whole. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 1 whole means 1. Let us see one more example. If a quantity is divided into 2 equal parts, then each is called 1/2. 1/2 is written as 1/2 half. One half is written as 1/2. How many halves make a whole? We can observe in this figure. 2 halves make a whole. 1/2 plus 1/2. Half plus half is equal to 1 or full. Next, one more example. If a quantity is divided into 4 equal parts and 3 parts are taken, then it is called 3/4 or 3/4. 3/4. 3/4 or 3/4. 3/4 or 3/4 as written as 3/4. By observing these figures, we have understood well Let us see what is a numerator and what is a denominator. Numerator, the number written above the horizontal line in 1 by 4. This is the numerator. The number written above the horizontal line is called numerator. And the number written below the horizontal line, under the horizontal line, is called denominator. In this, 1 is numerator, 4 is denominator. In this 1 by 2, 1 is numerator, 2 is denominator. In this quarter, 3 quarters, 3 is numerator and 4 is the denominator. In every fraction, numerator expresses or represents or tells how many parts taken, number of parts taken. Numerator tells us number of parts taken. Denominator tells us or expresses or represents total number of equal parts. We understood? Once again, numerator tells us number of parts taken, how many parts we taken. Denominator tells us total number of equal parts. Next, kinds of fractions. First, proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. Proper fraction. Example, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 10, etc. The value of proper fraction is less than 1. We can understand this. Next, improper fraction. What is an improper fraction? A fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator or equal to the denominator is called improper fraction. In this proper fraction, numerator is less than the denominator. Improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator or numerator is equal to the denominator. That means numerator is greater than denominator or equal to the denominator. Examples, 3 by 2, 7 by 3, 15 by 2, etc. So in this numerator is greater than the denominator in all this. So that's why the value of improper fraction is greater than 1 or equal to 1. In this case,
5 by 5. This is also improper fraction. Value of this fraction is 1. Remaining these values is greater than 1. Next, what is a mixed fraction? A fraction in which there is a whole number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. For example, we know whole numbers. Natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. Whole numbers W is equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Examples: mixed fraction. Example: 5 1 by 2, 7 2 by 3, 9 11 by 15. This is a whole number and this is a proper fraction. In all these, this is whole number, proper fraction, whole number, proper fraction. So that's why these are examples for mixed fraction. Next, like fraction. Fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. We can take few examples. Like fractions. Example: 1 by 5, 7 by 5, 2 by 5, 15 by 5. These are like fractions. Next, what is unlike fractions? What are unlike fractions? Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Examples: 2 by 9, 3 by 5, 7 by 2, 15 by 11, etc. These are unlike fractions. Next, what is a unit fraction? What are unit fractions? Fractions having or fraction having 1 as numerator is called a unit fraction. Unit means 1. So that's why it is called a unit fraction. Examples: 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 15, etc. These all are unit fractions. Next, what is an equivalent fraction? Two or more fractions representing the same part of a whole are called equivalent fractions. We can observe on pictures. This is dividing two parts, means 1 by 2. This is also same length, but this is dividing 4 equal parts, but shading two parts, taking two parts, 2 by 4. This is also same length, dividing 8 equal parts, but shading 4 parts, that means taking 4 parts. So 4 by 8. We can understood well by observing these pictures. These all are same parts. So that's why these fractions also same. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8. These are called equivalent fractions. Each proper or improper fractions have many equivalent fractions. To find equivalent fractions of given fraction, we multiply or divide both the numerator and the denominator of given fraction by the same number. For example, here is 1 by 2. First, I am multiplying this 2. So then we can get 2 by 4. And this 1 by 2, I am multiplying same number, here 2, here 3. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Here I am multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the same number 4. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So we got these fractions. These all are same fractions. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8. So these are called equivalent fractions.